Hello YouTube. Hope that you're having a good day wherever you live. Just a quick tip today. As my last video, I was doing the battery turned out well with the charger review. Excuse me. And while I had the battery out, the battery box, I mean, it was over time where it was crystals and everything, you know, what comes from your battery when it spills over, whatever. So I took it out. I was going to take it out and clean it and put it back, but unfortunately, all the bolts, I have them over there, but I had to use the nut remover, strip nut socket, whatever you call it. But they were all kaput, stripped, totally rusted. They were perfectly round, but I did get them off, and I didn't have any nuts that would fit the studs. So I just went and I got some nuts that I had. You know, I just had them on these bolts, and it was you need it just a little smaller than what the other one was. Then, well, or maybe you can even have them quite a bit smaller. All depends on the size of nut you need. But mine was smaller, and I just got a drill bit, that was just enough to take these threads out of there. And that one just, and then you just put it in your vise and you drill out the thread. Try to be as vertical as you can. So you drill out the thread. You go and you measure the thread on the stud. Yeah, if you don't already know, or if you've took the old nut and you just run your tap and you found the right one. However way you want to do it. Once you find the thread, you take your tap like I just had there. You take your tap and you just you work it in. You know how to tap material, so you go a half a turn, go back. These are I could only go a quarter turn, and because they're coated, they're plated with that hard material. So yeah, so that's pretty much it. Once you get this tapped, you might have to use a washer, because the original what I had was like a built-in washer on it. Do whatever you need to do. But yeah, if you don't have a nut and the other ones are garbage that you finally got off, sometimes you have to tear it to pieces to get it off with vice grips or whatever. Just get yourself a nut that's a little smaller, drill out the thread, and tap it. I hope this helps you.